Hello, 6th grade. Welcome to English class. This is Miss Brianna, your teacher from Knowledge School. Thank you for joining me today. Today, we will review Unit 7. This is the room of a doctor's office. Can you say doctor's office? Have you ever been to a doctor's office? All the people are sick. This man is coughing. This woman has a headache. This man is old. This boy is young. Everyone needs to see the doctor. What's the difference between a hospital and a doctor's office? A hospital has very serious injuries and problems. A doctor's office is for less serious injuries or problems. I think this is a doctor's office. These are illnesses or problems. Repeat after me. Cold, stomach ache, headache, toothache, cough, temperature, cut. When you have a cold, what is affected? A cold affects your nose. It makes your nose run. In English, when we have a cold, we say, "My nose is running." My nose is running. Is your nose really running? No. But we say, "My nose is running." When you have a cold, you also have a sore throat. Sore throat. Repeat after me. My nose is running. I have a sore throat. This is your throat. Sore means it hurts. Sore throat. When you have a stomach ache, what is affected? Your stomach. We could say, "My stomach hurts. I have a stomach ache." Repeat after me. My stomach hurts. I have a stomach ache. When you have a headache, what is affected? Your head. My head aches. I have a headache. Repeat after me. My head aches. I have a headache. If you have a cough, it's like this. Your throat hurts. My throat hurts. You could say, "I have a cough." You could say, "I am coughing." I am coughing. Repeat after me. My throat hurts. I have a cough. I am coughing. If you have a toothache, what is affected? Your teeth. You could say, "My tooth hurts. I have a toothache." Repeat after me. My tooth hurts. I have a toothache. What does it mean to have a temperature? A temperature means your body is getting very hot. We call this a fever. Fever. If your head is very hot, you have a fever or a temperature. You could say, My body is hot. I have a temperature. Repeat after me. My body is hot. I have a temperature. What about cut? Cut is if the skin is broken. There is blood. You have cut yourself. You could say, I cut my hand in the kitchen. This can happen in the kitchen when you have knives. Maybe you cut your hand or you cut your finger. Repeat after me. I cut my hand in the kitchen. You could say, I have a cut. I have a cut. Anytime we're talking about a sickness or a disease or problem, we say, I have. Repeat after me. I have a cold. I have a stomach ache. I have a headache. I have a cough. I have a toothache. I have a cut. I have a temperature. Let's look at the next page. I say and you repeat. You've got a stomach ache. That's right. Now, remember I said we say I have or you have. You can also say I've got or you've got. I've got means the same as I have. You've got means the same as you have. I've is short for I have. You've is short for you have. Okay, so just remember, I have got, and I've got mean the same thing. You have got, or you've got mean the same thing. Why does he have a stomach ache? Maybe he ate too much sugar. I don't know. These are adjectives. Repeat these adjectives after me. Tall, short, old, young, happy, sad, tired, bored. I will circle and you say, what is this word? Bored. What is this word? Young. You are all young. You are not old. What is this word? Tall. What is this word? Sad. What is this word? Happy. What is this word? Tired. This word? Old. And this word? Short. What is the opposite of tall? Short. What is the opposite of young? Old. What is the opposite of sad? Happy. Very good. And then you know the word tired means you just want to sleep. Bored means you have nothing to do. Are you bored during this coronavirus? Do you have nothing to do? When we use these adjectives, we can say I am, or you are, or he is. I am short. You are young. He is happy. They are bored. This is just a quick review of the to be verb. The to be verb is am, are, is. Okay? For I, we use am. For you, we use are. For he, we use is. Okay? This is called the to be verb. Repeat after me. I am short. You are young. He is happy. They are bored. Good job, everyone. On this page, we have a story. The kids are in Burton Wood. I will say and you repeat. Where are the purple emperor butterflies? They don't like all the rubbish. They can't live here now. Look, there's more rubbish here. Be careful, Zir. Ouch! Oh no! He's got a bad cut on his finger. Kathy, phone Mom and Dad. My phone hasn't got a signal. Oh, it's got a signal now. What are purple emperor butterflies? Remember, they are butterflies that are purple, and they don't like rubbish, and they don't like people. The kids are cleaning the rubbish. But what happens to this boy? He says, ouch. In English, we say, ouch, if we hurt ourselves. What do you say in Kurdish? Is it the same? In many languages, they say something different. But in English, we say, ouch. What happened to him? He's got a bad cut on his finger. Remember, cut, when the skin breaks and there is blood. Cut. Kathy needs to phone Mom and Dad. In this story, they say mum. In England, Great Britain, they say mum. In America, we say mom. Do you hear the difference? Mum, mom. Mum, mom. Small difference. She says her phone hasn't got a signal. It means it has no service. She cannot use it. But then it does have a signal in time. When we see this with 3 dots, this means there was a pause. For example, my phone hasn't got a signal. Oh, it's got a signal now. When there are 3 dots, it means there is a pause. Maybe 4 or 5 seconds, maybe longer. Okay? Let's talk more about accidents and problems. These are all problems that you go to the hospital for. My sister went to the hospital. I will read you a story. One time, my sister rode her horse. She was 12 years old. The horse was scared. The horse fell on top of my sister. My sister broke her leg. She went to the hospital. She wore a cast and crutches for 6 months. She wore a cast and had crutches for 6 months. Let's talk about this story. One time is how we often start stories. We don't want to say, or we can't remember the exact day, so we say, one time. This is a true story. My sister rode her horse. The horse got scared. The horse fell on top of my sister's leg. We say broke. The bone in her leg broke. She went to the hospital. She wore a cast. This boy has a cast on his hand. Cast. She used crutches. She could not walk. She used crutches for 6 months. This is a true story about a problem, an accident, an injury. Write 3 sentences or more about an injury or sickness you had sometime. So a cut is an injury. A sickness is temperature, cough, cold, stomachache, toothache, headache. Okay, so an injury like you hurt yourself, or a sickness like you had a cough, or a stomachache, or a headache. Write 3 sentences or more in your notebook about an injury or sickness that you had or your family had, okay? It can be similar to my story or shorter. You can start it with one time. Okay, write your story, and we will practice the stories in live class later this week. I'm excited to hear your stories. Please do your homework, do your best. Thank you for joining me today. If you have questions, we can talk about it at the live class. Everyone have a good day. I hope you are studying hard, and I'll see you in the live class. Bye.